En chamade, French, to sound a parley, refers to powerfully voiced reed stops in a pipe organ that have been mounted horizontally, rather than vertically, in the front of the organ case, projecting out into the church or concert hall. They produce a commanding, loud trumpet-like tone, used for fanfares and solos. It is known as fan trumpet, horizontal trumpet, and trompette en chamade. Any stop mounted en chamade will be much louder than a stop elsewhere in the organ, even though in church organs the stops may stand on the same wind pressure. In theatre and concert organs, en chamade stops often stand on higher wind pressure than the other stops, to sound even more powerful and commanding. History. First seen in Iberian and Mexican organs of the early 18th century. It came in many forms to create choruses in divided registers. The trompeta de batalla, 8 feet, barjoncillo, 4 feet, barjo, 16 feet, violetta, 2 feet, trompeta magna, 16 feet, the clarins, either 8 feet or 4 feet, the smaller ones in conjunction with the trumpeters. Unlike the modern chamade trumpet, these all stood on pressures of 55 mm, 2.2 in, compared to anywhere from 10 to 50 inches, 250 to 1270 mm. Often confused with these are the trompetta reels, or trombetta reels, which were never horizontal and were always located inside of the case. Another example, first referred to as a trompette en chamade, is located in an organ built in Provence in 1772. The term was popularized by Aristide Cavalet-Coll in his organs of the 19th century. In modern organs, chamade stops are most often found at 8 feet and 4 feet as trompette en chamade and clarin en chamade, respectively, with some examples at 16 feet. And even rare instances at 5 1/3. Both the organ of Saint Martin du Delange, Luxembourg, and the organ of Stifts Basilica Waldsassen, Germany, have chamades at 16 feet, 8 feet, 5 1/3, and 4 feet. Chamade is occasionally used as a stop name by itself. Chamade was a trumpet call designed to be heard across the battlefield in the enemy camp, announcing a desire to surrender. See also, List of pipe organ stops. Notes. Footnotes. Encyclopedia of organ stops. Wick's Glossary of organ terms.